Hello YouTube, this is, well, I don't know what to call it. I think it's called Box Break, as they would say. I am opening a pack of 2012 Prestige NFL trading cards by Panini. And I haven't looked through them yet, but I guess I threw away the, wrapping, whatever. And it's 40 whatever cards. It's Gridiron Football. It's 40 cards. Alright, let's get started off with the Prestige 2012. I like the designs this year. Look at it. Established 1930. But okay. We got a Nick Dominic Sue. He's really good and he just has angry issues. A Marcel Darius for the Buffalo Bills. Sorry. A Brian Cushing, who is a good card. I'm sorry if it's all shaky, but pretty nice. Look at the card. Backs. A Johnny Knox football card for the Bears. What's this? An Isaiah Peed. Oh, this one's really cool. St. Louis Rams. It's a draft card. It's really cool. Huh. It's really cool. Put that right there. It's a good card. A Austin Jeffrey. He's a rookie. That's good. Decent one. Whatever. Then we have an Alex Smith. He got benched for some reason for Colin Kaepernick. But anyway, nice card. A Brian Aragbo card. A Michael Vick. You know. Nick Foles starting now. And a Kellen Winslow Jr. card. I don't even think he plays for the Buccaneers anymore. Alright. Now moving on to the 40 Gridiron Football. Whatever. Alright. First we're gonna start off with the Stevan Ridley. Pretty cool action shot. A Ryan Matthews. Another cool picture. Drew Brees. Jumping in the zone. A Nnamdi Asomugha. Decent. Pretty cool picture. A Leonard Hankerson. Sorry. Couldn't remember. Jacoby Ford for the Raiders. A Reggie Bush. Sam Bradford. Well, if you want to see. Santonio Holmes. A Chris Johnson. Pretty cool. Put that one up. A Casey Hayward. Pretty cool looking rookie card. A Jay Cutler for the Bears. Mike Thomas. American flag background. America, yeah. Ben Watson card. And Matt Castle. Whatever about that one. Just no comment. A Matthew Stafford card. It's a nice one. Except he's about to get demolished. Okay, sorry. A Torrey Smith card. He's pretty good. A Julius Peppers. Austin Collie for the Colts. A Kevin Zeitler. The rookie cards look really cool this year. A Stevie Johnson. Oh, Steve Johnson. I thought it was Stevie. Because everybody calls him that, seems. Adrian Pearson. Pretty cool. Colt McCoy. He doesn't even play. Well, plays, but he doesn't start. And look at this. An autographed card. Bilo Powell. He actually plays. I just can't pronounce his name. Jets authentic signed card. Maybe that's luck. And then we have Rashad Mendenhall, and then Willis McGahee. Oh, that's nice. A Jimmy Graham card. Ooh. A Jimmy Graham card. Randy Moss. Fred Davis. Brent Selleck. Mercedes Lewis. Or Mercedes. Brandon Carr. Anquan Bolden. Oh, Patrick Peterson. Patrick Peterson. Danny Amendola. Sean Green. Owen Daniels. Larry Fitzgerald. Yeah, Tony Romo. And Jake Locker. Well, that wasn't bad. Got an auto. Thank you guys for watching. If you don't mind, or if you want to, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Pretty nice card. Alright, bye.